Hello everyone, how are you all? I am also fine. I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I have come here once again for my practicing purpose. But today I have come here the new place, and today I have come here in Bankura district in West Bengal, and I have come here for visiting purpose. And in this place there is a famous is Susunia Hill. Yeah, that's why also every year there are in the January or December, the most of the people always come here for traveling purpose, and that's why also you can see there are so many people around. They are moving here and there, and you can see there are so many buses standing behind me, and at that time when I come in this place, at that time it was 4:30 a.m. and that time also it was totally dark, and at that time there were five or six buses in this place. But right now the the most of the time the bus are coming in this place, and right now 21 buses in this place right now. And every year in this month most of the people come here for traveling purpose, and you can see there is a hill which name is Susunia. Yes, oh, you can see over there. Are you being able to see or not? I don't know properly. Actually my camera quality is not very good. Yeah, there is a hill which name is Susunia Hill. Yeah, that's also most of the people always come here for visiting purpose. I also come here first time in this place. I come here by bus. Yeah, by bus. And but at the night when I come by bus, and at the time I did not feel very well. Yeah, I was not feeling very well. At that time, because I was that time also not feeling very well. But right now also I am comfortable. That's why also I am making this video. And actually when I come in the bus, and at that time few of the young boys and girls, they are always dancing on the bus, and at that time the song is being played on the bus. Yeah, and at the same time I was sleeping. Yeah, I was sleeping. But at the time also I was not feeling very well. Yeah, but right now also reaching in the stations, I am feeling very well, and I am enjoying a lot. Yeah, I am enjoying a lot, and I can see the scenery is so beautiful in this place, and everywhere you can see there are so many people. They are enjoying a lot there, and you can see there are many toy cars. Yeah, there are so many four-wheeler and two-wheeler over there, only for children. Yeah, and after taking the 50 rupees, they are get the permission for driving the car, and after taking the 50 rupees, they are taking the permission for the riding the bike. And if you are a beginner, if you want to learn this language, you have to follow what I am telling. When I use the four-wheeler, at that time I use drive, and when I talk with the two-wheeler, at that time also I use ride. Yeah, and for example, I am riding the bike, I am riding the bicycle, and you can see right now the scenery is so beautiful. And over there you can see there is a Susunia Hill. Yeah, definitely I will go. But right now also I am making this video. Whenever I get free time, I always try to learn this language, and I did not want to waste my time. That's why also I am using my time. I am making this kind of video, and practice is the most important key. Yeah, without practicing we cannot success in our life in any subject. That's why also I am using my time. And you can see there are so many people. They are enjoying a lot, and over there you can see there are many stalls over there. And if you take the breakfast, and you can see and you can take everything in the stall. Yeah, there you can see orange juice and water bottle. There's so many things over there. There is no problem. Yeah, and in this time right now the time is around 8:30 a.m. Yeah, 8:30 a.m. I did not take my breakfast, but after taking breakfast definitely I will reach the top of the Susunia hill. Yeah, I don't know properly. I will able to reach the top of the hill. I don't know, but definitely I will try. Yeah, definitely I will try. And right now also I am making this video in this place, but definitely when I go to the hill, and at that time also I make this kind of video definitely. And in this time also the sun is shining above my head, but the weather is very comfortable. That's why also I am making this video. But in the morning time around 6 a.m. at that time there was a dark. Yeah, there is low light. That's why at that time I did not make the video. But right now the weather is very comfortable. Yeah, and but the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing very highly. That's why also most of the people you can see they are wearing a jacket, caps. Yeah, I am also wearing a jacket, but in this place there is too cold. Yeah, there is too cold. And you can see there are so many places, and there are lot of buses in this place. And the behind there is a big pond, and in this place most of the area are forest. Yeah, forest area. I noticed there are so many trees over there. And after that also in the behind the Susunia hill. Yeah, definitely I will go, and after taking my breakfast. And right now also I am making this video. And actually in this place most of the enjoying person for children, they are always driving the car, and they are always riding the bike. Yeah, they are also enjoying. I am also enjoying, because I have come here in the first time in this place. But right now also I am feeling very well for making this video. And yesterday I thought definitely I would make a video in this place. And after coming here, right now also I am free, and I am making this video. And you can see today in this time that's enough. All right. Yeah, keep practicing, keep learning. Yeah, if you want to learn this language, always you have to practice. Without practicing we cannot succeed in our life. So keep practicing. Yeah, that's enough. All right, nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.